Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you're connecting from. Please confirm you can hear me loud and you can hear me loud and clear. One of these live stream. I'll drop your questions. If you have any question or you have any pair you want me to analyze, let me know in the comment section. How has been trading this week? Today is Wednesday, the 8th of. Confirm you can hear me loud and clear. Also confirm you can see my screen. Confirm you can hear me loud and clear. Also confirm you can see my screen. Let's start by looking at the calendar. Date of. Okay. So today, Wednesday, F FOMC meeting hold today by 7 p.m. And, and as you can see, which pair do you want me to analyze? Which pair are you trading today? Let me know in the comments. Do you want to trade today? Let me know in the major news. Only one news for the dollar by 7 p.m. Okay, so let's see DX1 yen. So this is yen. I remember day, yeah, that yen might see a retracement after this fair value gap gets filled. You can see. So this fair value gap got filled yesterday. Price even broke out from that fair value gap. And as you can see, the market is back into that gap. You can see we had a spinning candle here and it's bullish. So I love to see it pull would be bullish today. That's my take on it. this support, then we'll expect more sales. So they swept the liquidity, filled the gap, and I think low was also the reason price broke out the fair value gap. They had to come and sweep liquidity residing at this previous low. I think that is the reason price broke out that gap. Okay, so if that support changes from bullish, but right now the buyers are still in control. The bulls are still in control. The bulls are in control. So my bias for the year today, is bullish. If you have any question or any pair you want me to analyze, let me know in the comment section. Okay, let's look at this one. A lot is happening in the market right now. A lot is happening in the market. Those that are in this market are those who are applying proper risk and money management. A lot is happening. You can see the impact of the ongoing war between Israel and Iran. You can see the impact of the market. The market is very, very volatile. So you need to have proper risk and money management. This is not the time not to use stop loss. If you don't use stop loss, you're going to lose so much. You're going to lose so much in this market. Stop loss exists to help minimize your losses. So if you're not using loss, trust me, you will not be a profitable trader. You can never be a profitable trader. I've never seen a trader who does not use stop loss. And they are always blowing accounts. They are always blowing accounts. So if you're not using stop loss, you are just playing in this market. You will not be profitable. No disadvantages. Yet to tell for the how much you're going to lose on that trade, you are gambling in the market. You are gambling in the market. That's not how to trade Forex. That's not how to trade Forex. Okay. Wow. This was a huge gap in the market. I am just saying this. This was a huge gap on the dollar. This is huge. So we had a gap on the dollar. Dollar is bearish. Wow, this is huge. I'm just saying this. This is a huge gap on the dollar. This is bearish. So right now they've swept liquidity residing at this low. They've swept liquidity residing at this low. We also had this fair value gap here. Let me go down to lower frame. Let's see, there's a fair value gap below here. Wow, this gap is much on the dollar. Wow. So we have this fair value gap. Let's see. We had this fair value gap. Let's see how the market will react to this. A bullish reversal pattern. If it plays as an inverted hammer, then we might want to see price pull back to fill this gap. Dollar might pull back to come fill this gap it's created. Is I want to confirm this on. Let me see. This gap. I'm surprised. This gap is much. What's wrong on trading view? But I can't see any gap here on MT4. I can't see any gap here on MT4. No gap here on MT4. But on trading view, we have gap. Or is it that the chart is still updating? There's a gap. So you can see on 1 hour. On 1 hour, we already have bullish reversal pattern forming, spinning top, inverted hammer. Then the next candle close bullish. This is a bullish. This is a bullish reversal pattern. This is a bullish reversal pattern. So we might see maybe a retracement to this to fill this gap. So that's my take on the dollar. Okay, I'm looking for opportunity to buy the dollar today. But if it breaks out from this support, if dollar breaks out from this support, might see more sells. So this is the support for the dollar today. If it breaks out from these lows, this support, then we might see more sells on the dollar. Might see more sells on the dollar. So today I will look for buy. Okay, I would love to see price pull back to fill this gap. Okay, that's my expectation for the dollar. It should fill this gap. It should fill this gap. Okay, so that's my take for the dollar. I'm bullish on the dollar today based on what we have on 1 hour, 4 hour, a 4 hour closes. This 4 hour candle closes. That should be in the next 2 hours. That should be by 12. By 12, this candle will close. So if this closes bullish, yeah, bullish on dollar. Any question? Is there any other pair you want me to? Please, if you confirm, I don't know, confirm the gap. Confirm this gap on trading view. I want to be sure it's updated. Lola, there is what? Gap on MT5, okay. But this is MT5, but I can't find any gap here on MT5. This is the first candle for today, and this is the first candle for today. And there is no gap here. There's no gap here on the first candle. This MT5 here. Wow, it's likely going to close as inverted. I can't find the gap on MT5. Okay, so that's it for me. So let's look at currency pairs. Let's start with GBP. GBP is still bullish. Bullish yesterday. I told you guys yesterday. But Please confirm you can hear me. What's happening now? Network. Can you guys hear me? Can you hear me? Okay, so that's my take on gold. Any other question? Is there any other pair you want me to analyze? Is there any other pair you want me to analyze? Let me know in the comment section. Do you have any question? Any question? No more question. Navy boy, Sister Minola, God's will. Any question? I'm also seeing a buy. Let me see Euro Australian dollar. This is a good buy setup on Euro Australian dollar. Okay, a buy setup on Euro Australian dollar. CH1 resistance has been on here. Buy. Just that's good. But you know you're to since I'm realizing that don't buy gold now. Wait for a retracement. Wait for a retracement on gold before you buy. Wait for a retracement on gold before you buy. That's my take technically. Gold should retrace, fill this gap. To pull back to fill this gap before going bullish. That's my take on gold. So I think that will be all for today's session. There are no more questions. Like I said, what is happening in the market right now, this is not the time to be aggressive. You have to be very conservative. You have to apply stop loss. Don't gamble with your hard-earned money. Don't gamble with your hard-earned money. Ensure you apply stop loss. You should know how much you're going to lose on every trade you're executing. Please don't gamble with your hard-earned money. So I want to appreciate you all for your participation, and we'll meet tomorrow. by 10 a.m. Bye for now.